Welcome to the ODB at AWS Huddle channel. In this demo, we'll show you how to create and backup an Oracle Autonomous AI database serverless on AWS. Let's get started with the creation of an Oracle Autonomous AI database serverless on AWS. On the AWS console in the Oracle Database at AWS section, click on the left on Autonomous AI Database Serverless. You will be able to click Create Autonomous AI Database Serverless button. In this section, you can select a display name, a database name, and click Next. Then you can choose the workload type for the database version, the eCPU count. You can also choose to use the auto-scaling option, specify the storage, and enable storage auto-scaling if you want. In the advanced option, you also have the ability to choose Elastic Pool or your licensing. In the backup settings, you can specify the automatic backup retention period and the backup retention lock. Then you choose your admin user password and your network access type. In this case, we select private endpoint access only to restrict access to a private endpoint within an existing ODB network that we're going to choose. Then you can select your host name prefix and you are ready to go. Here you can optionally configure advanced settings. Oracle Managed Encryption keys must be selected during database creation, and you can enable customer managed keys later on. You can also configure maintenance preferences, management options, and built-in tools before creating the database. After reviewing all the details, you can create your autonomous AI database. After some seconds, it will appear in the provisioning state, and after a few minutes, it will appear as available. You can now review the details of your newly created autonomous AI database. And now let's see how to create a long-term backup for this new autonomous AI database. Go to the Backup tab. You can check the automatic backup retention period as selected. You can click Create Long-Term Backup button to create a long-term backup. You can select the retention in years, months, and days. In this case, we will choose 3 months and 0 years. You can also schedule the backup at a later date and configure this backup to run on a recurring schedule, for example, weekly, monthly, or yearly. And you can click Save. The long-term backup creation is now initiated. As you can see in the Backup tab, it's in creating state. After it has been fully created, it will appear as active, as well as the automatic backup that has been run already on the database. In this video, we covered the creation of an Oracle Autonomous AI database serverless on AWS, the configuration of automatic backups, and the creation of a long-term backup.